Oh no, I got 10 minutes till camp. I gotta pack.
Hello everybody, this is Fuzzy Pete with your online video tutorial of how to pack for camp. That's right, follow along with me and you'll be ready to go when it's camp time. The first thing you need is a backpack. That's right, you need a backpack to pack up all your stuff and take it with you to camp. Number 2, you also need a pair of binoculars. That's right, because you want to see all the cool things that are going on. So a pair of binoculars is a perfect way to go. Number 3, you also want to have a map. Because all the adventures you're going to go on, you need to know how to get around. So pack a map and you'll be good to go. You also want to pack a magic wand for all the magical adventures you'll go on. That's right, so pack a magic wand and you'll be ready for all the magical fun when it happens at camp. Also be sure to pack a toothbrush because proper hygiene is always the way to go. As you can tell, I got one tooth here and I got one tooth here. These teeth I brush every day and that's why they look so super swell. See? All right, and once you have all this packed up, the final thing you need to pack is a stuffed toy. That's right, pack up a stuffed toy to go with you, because you always want to have your fuzzy friend there to experience all the fun with you. I will already be at camp, so you don't need to pack me. And once you have all this stuff, you are good to go. So grab your backpack and head out for camp. Have a great time, everybody, and enjoy camp this year. This is Fuzzy Pete signing off for the online packing tutorial. Bye, everybody.
Oh, wait a minute. I forgot my dog. Come here, Fido. We're going to camp. I'll see everybody there.